All right, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to create high converting emails for your digital coaching business using AI. So it's going to be 100 times faster, and you can set up an email sequence in a matter of minutes. Now, the reason why I'm sharing this with you is because when it comes to creating an email follow-up sequence, everybody gets sludged down and they get stuck. They don't know what to put in the email. They don't know how to lay it out. They don't know how to create those words that are going to get people to go, oh yeah, no, that makes sense. I want to get that from that person, or no, I need to go check that out. And so if you have a digital coaching business and you are sending out emails to your list, or you're creating posts inside of your community, or you're creating anything, frankly, where you're communicating to your audience via text or anything like that, I'm going to show you this process and template that you can use to create the best email follow-up sequences, one-off emails. Shoot, you could probably take your mind and create all kinds of things with it if you start wrapping your mind up with what this is. And so once you've dialed this in, you'll be 100 times faster at creating automated emails for your coaching business. So let's jump in here. Oh, and by the way, I will have a link down in the description where you can download this actual template. It's a PDF template. You'll click the link down in the description. You can just go over and I'll have it right there inside of my Make Once Free community. It's totally free. You can opt right in there. I'll have it included in the post. I'll have a link to the post down there, and you can grab it and use it to your leisure. You can recreate it as I show you here. So what I've done is I created this template. So what you can do with ChatGPT is you can upload PDF files into it. And whatever the PDF file has inside of it, it can read that and take instruction from it, and it can understand it and all of that. So what we want to do is think about creating like a library or a huge resource of pre-created templates for the specific jobs inside of your coaching business. That way, whenever you want to go create an email, you can just take what I'm going to give you here and you can upload it into ChatGPT, which I'll be showing you all of this. But you can upload it into ChatGPT, give it some little instruction, which I'll show you how to do that as well, and then poof, it's done. You can make a few edits afterwards and you're ready to go. You can do this with creating YouTube videos. You can do this with creating just about any part of the process within your business, your coaching business. That's why I'm really focused on helping coaches, new ones, or maybe you're a coach right now, help you launch, build, and scale a digital coaching business using AI. So you have this AI coaching style type business, because I truly believe coaching is currency in the future. There's going to be a lot of knowledge work happening in the future, and knowing how to talk and use the machines and coaching people through this stuff. So I believe it is one of the greatest currencies in the future. If you're thinking about doing it, you're in the right place. So what I've done is I've created this framework. And so what this framework is consisting of is it basically gives you instructions up here at the top, okay? So this detailed email template helps you maximize conversions for your digital coaching business. This template includes specific instructions and questions for you to answer, and then it makes it easy for you to generate high converting emails. And then what you'll do is you'll save this PDF and then re-upload it into ChatGPT whenever you want to create a new email. So what you'll do is as the instructions point out here, you're going to go down and you're going to answer the questions below. Now, I've already answered the questions with just an example for my digital coaching business. And so you can go in and replace where I have it in red, and then you can, re-upload it, save it again, and re-upload it. I'll go through the process and show you so you know. But once you've went in and you've put your responses in there to the different questions I'll ask you, then you can save the PDF to your computer, and then you can re-upload it. So what I would do is I would take this email template, and I've got it pulled up, or actually here, let me pull this up. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to take this email template. So this is what you'll get right here. And what you'll do is you'll take this, and all you have to do is either click in here and click Select All, or Command A on a Mac, or Control A on a PC, and it'll just select everything in this document. And this document is a template, and what you'll do is you'll just copy it, and then what you can do from there is just simply come over, open up a Google Doc, which is free to use, or you can put it wherever you want, a word processor or Notion or whatever you put your stuff in, like your documents and docs and stuff like that. You can paste it in there, and then you'll come in, and what you'll do is you will answer these questions. Now, before I get into that, let me finish your instructions here. So once you go down and fill out these questions, okay, they're very simple to answer. You're going to just fill them out. You will then just, like if you're using Google Docs, for instance, you'll come up to File. Let me get this out of the way. File, and then you'll go to Download, and then you'll go to, let me get you more out of the way, File, Download, and then you'll save it as a PDF. It'll be on your computer, and then you can simply take that file and we'll upload it into ChatGPT, which I'll show you here in just a moment how to do that. Again, this document is going to be down in the description. It'll say PDF document, okay, and then it'll say AI email template for digital coaches where you can download it, okay? I'll have that in my free Skool community. You can simply go right in there. It's completely free and public. You can grab that and use it, all right? Okay, so once you have the document filled out, which we'll go through in just a second, you'll then use this prompt right here in between the quotes. You'll use this prompt to trigger ChatGPT to read the PDF and create the email. And then after that, I'll show you a few things that you can do to massage and manipulate the email to make it really personal and really the best it could be before you add it to your email automation sequence, or maybe it's just a one-off email that you're going to send out. Okay? So this here, it says, I have uploaded, this is what you're going to give to ChatGPT. Again, I'm going to show you an example of this. I have uploaded a PDF with specific details for an email follow-up sequence. Please use the information from the PDF to generate a high-converting email for my, and then this is where you would insert your coaching course, program, membership, or whatever offer you're making. Maybe it's just an offer to watch a YouTube video. Following the provided template and framework. Okay, so this is the template prompt that you will use after you've uploaded it. All right, I'll show you what that looks like right here. Okay, so you can see I've uploaded the PDF that was on my computer, and then I added this specific prompt that I just read to you. And where it had the brackets, I put, please use this information from the PDF to generate a high converting email for my new YouTube video about using AI to create emails 100 times faster, which is the video that you're watching right now. So following the provided template and framework, all right? And so what it did is it went and it created that email, and then I'll show you what I did afterwards to make it even better, okay? Okay, so let me go back here to this template. Here's the questions that you're going to answer. So to create the perfect email to send out to your email list that has the ability to convert in a very high converting way, and also communicate the message and provide value and do all the things that an email needs to do in a direct response marketing style that we use, these are the questions that need to be answered. What's the purpose of the email? Who's the target audience? What's the key message? Personalization details, call to action, storytelling elements, social proof, additional resources. So let's walk through these real quick so you're very clear on what to do. Okay, so email purpose. What is the primary goal of this email? Example, you could introduce a new feature, you could share a success story, or you could invite somebody to a webinar, etc. What you're going to do is where I have it in red here, you're going to replace that with your answer. Okay, so my answer, I want to share a new YouTube video. Okay, so that's the purpose of the email. Very simple. Target audience, new subscribers who haven't joined my paid program. Okay, very simple. So who's the specific audience that the email is for? Is it for new subscribers, inactive subscribers, current subscribers? Is it for new and aspiring weightlifters? Is it for, people that are just now starting their diet and just joined your email list? Give it some context as to who the target audience is. Okay? And then key message. So what is the primary message you want to convey in this email? Example, benefits of joining Okay. Overcoming a common challenge, right? What is the primary key message here? Well, mine was the benefits of having ChatGPT prompt templates, which is what I'm showing you right now, to save time in marketing, which it does. It saves you an absolute boatload of time. And I've created it for you, so you're already good to go. You just got to come in and do this part. Okay, personalization details. What personalization details should be included? Okay, subscriber's first name, their specific niche, past interactions, etc. So my answer was, this is addressed to new or current coaches who don't have a digital coaching business yet, but want to learn how to launch, build, and scale their coaching business online. Because ultimately, that's who I help. That's my specific target audience. And so I want to address it to that. That's the personalization I wanted to add to it. And then call to action, as everything should have. What specific call to action do you want the recipient to take? Do you want them to sign up for a webinar, download a resource, join Make Once Pro? Okay, so you can change this out and put your company there. That's my paid program where I help coaches. So my answer was, watch the YouTube video and download the provided ChatGPT prompt template that helps them generate marketing emails 100 times faster. Okay? Then it says, is there any sense of urgency or special offer associated with this call to action? Example, limited time discount, exclusive bonuses. Okay? My answer, if they're ready to launch, build, and scale a digital coaching business and want step-by-step guides, live support, and a locked-in membership price before the price goes up, they must join Make Once Pro now. Okay, so that's my call to action. I want them to do that. I also want them to watch the video. So watch the video. And then my additional one is, if somebody wants to lock in the current price of my program before the price goes up, then they need to join Make Once Pro right now. Okay, so there's that. Then the storytelling elements. Is there a personal story of client success? Is there a personal story or client success story that can be included? Please provide details and choose an existing story. So my answer, before ChatGPT, I struggled to create emails for my automated email sequence, not knowing what to include to convert leads to paying clients. Since ChatGPT, I'm doing things 100 times faster, better, and without as much stress or financial loss. All 100% true. I could finish my sequence and send it in no time using genius email templates, which are easy to fill out and upload to ChatGPT. So that was just a personal story of mine, right? Social proof. Are there any testimonials, case studies, or data points to include? Provide specific quotes or details. My answer, Make Once Pro, which teaches coaches how to launch, build, and scale digital coaching businesses, is only $149 a month. And we now have over 400 plus members thanks to being able to get follow-up that matters working faster. So this is true, right? This is a personal testimonial. Using follow-up emails and being able to create with ChatGPT and get there so much faster, easier, more accurate. Okay, having a 150 to 200 point IQ, AI machine that never gets tired helping us design marketing content and coaching content. It has dramatically changed our business. Okay, additional resources. The final question, are there any additional resources or links to include? Okay, links to blog, as an example here, you could put links to a blog post, videos, webinars, etc. My answer was just create a spot to put my YouTube video link once it's created. Okay, so I would go back and then put my link in there. Okay, so it has this email template structure, and then I've given it some important creation details for the actual template. So I said, always use short, punchy sentences, a casual, smart voice that is human-like, and a voice that understands the nature of a fluent human psychology so it can relate to that echelon of people. Because I want to talk to affluent people that are serious about building a digital coaching business, people that have money to afford coaching and understand the importance of it, and people that have a 7 out of 10, motivation to actually do it. They're not wanting to wait around. They want to start, earning a 6 or 7 figure income online as soon as possible with their digital coaching business. Okay, so that's what you want to have in here. So I've put this in here. You can add things to this if you're well enough to understand that and do it. If not, just leave it as is, and I'll show you how to edit this and kind of massage it after it kicks it out. You see, the way I look at using ChatGPT is, for me, it basically gives me like a rough draft of something, whether it's a piece of content or, in this case, an email or something like that. Maybe I'm creating a course or something like that. When I use ChatGPT, I'm thinking, okay, this is going to get me really close, like 90% of the way there. And then it gives me this rough draft where I can then ask it more prompts and give it more prompts, afterwards to get it closer to maybe 95, 98%. And then I can go in there and skim through and add Mike to it, right? I can add me and my perspectives and some things in there. But being able to get it that close, that fast, knowing that it knows more than anything than I'll ever know about these things and all this stuff combined, allows me to create great work very quickly. And so I hope this mindset rings true with you too and helps you figure this out. Okay, so I said use genius-like email copywriting formulas to ensure the emails have a direct response nature to them, because I want people to respond, okay? And copywriting is very important. All right, I said create the subject line using information inside the email's context and make it unique, curiosity-provoking, strange, and humorous, but always relevant to the context. Okay, it's important. The subject line's like the headline, if you will, and the headline is 90 cents out of your dollar, they say. So it is 90% of what makes it open. Okay, get that email open, right? So whenever possible, find current events, trends, or data to randomly include that will make the email relevant and connective to what's happening in the world. Okay? I said always approach the email with the mindset that we're trying to provide as much value as possible in the fewest words so we can blow their minds and make them curious enough to click the link. All right? You might actually be watching this very video right now because of the email that you received today to get the email or to get the video link. And I wrote it using this. So if you're here, pretty interesting. All right. Make the reading level of every email extremely understandable and relatable so it's easy to skim through. Pretty self-explanatory why I would want that. And then I said include curiosity-provoking bullets or questions whenever possible to make it easy to consume. Again, pretty self-explanatory why I would want that. And then always add a PS statement after the name sign-off that drives home the importance of the email's topic. Okay, and then it has this structure here, okay? So what you'll do is, like I said, all you have to do is replace what's in red. You can always update these prompts here. I wouldn't get too excited about changing too much here because I've kind of been working it and massaging it to get it to work. But once you've done that, all you'll do, like I said, is you'll come up here, go to File, and then you will just simply download as a PDF, and you'll want to name it, okay? You can maybe put version 1, 2, or however. Save it so that you can find it. You don't want a bunch of tech debt where you're losing files. Make sure you're always using good naming conventions with your files so you're not wasting a bunch of time there. Okay, so let's go take let's go look at the example of me doing this actually. So what I did is down here you can see there's a spot where you can click this little paper clip, and if you click that, okay, what it will say, whoops, come on. If you click that, it'll say you can upload from computer. So I just simply went onto my computer like this. I found that file and I clicked open. Okay? So that's what I did. And it added it to the chat. And then I said, before I hit enter, I added this prompt. I said, I have uploaded a PDF with specific details for an email follow-up sequence. Please use the information from the PDF to generate a high-converting email for and then I inserted this part, following the provided template framework. So again, I added this prompt right here. Okay, it says prompt for ChatGPT. All you're going to do is grab this here, you're going to copy it. And then again, where it says this, I'll even make it red so you can see it. You're just going to replace that there. You can put whatever you want there that gives them information about, or gives ChatGPT information about what this is. So that's what I did. And it says, based off the information provided in the PDF, here's a high converting email tailored for your new YouTube video. How about that? About using AI to create marketing emails 100 times faster. All right. Subject line, create marketing emails 100 times faster with AI. Watch now. Cool. Hi, first name. And in your autoresponder, you could probably replace this with the, most email autoresponders have like a trigger you can put in there that will put the person's name in it. So make sure you replace that. But it says, I hope this email finds you well. As a new subscriber to our community, I wanted to share something incredibly exciting with you. I just released a brand new YouTube video that reveals how you can use AI to create marketing emails faster. Imagine saving hours on email creation while boosting your productivity and getting better results. Okay, pretty good. What's in it for you? So right out of the gate, okay? In this video, I'll walk you through the exact process of using ChatGPT prompt templates to streamline your email marketing. Whether you're a seasoned coach or just starting out, these templates will save you time and stress, allowing you to focus on what you do best, coaching and growing your business. Awesome. Before ChatGPT, I used to spend countless hours crafting the perfect emails, often feeling overwhelmed and uncertain if they would even convert. But since discovering ChatGPT, everything has changed. I can now generate high-quality emails in no time, ensuring my marketing efforts are always top-notch. So, little story there, okay? Perfect. But don't just take my word for it. Our Make Once Pro members have experienced phenomenal success with these strategies. Here's what one of them had to say. Since joining Make Once Pro, I've been able to launch and scale my digital coaching business faster than I ever imagined. The AI email templates are a game changer. Okay, that was me. Ready to transform your email marketing? It put a link section here where I'm just going to replace this when I go to copy and paste this and put the email link to the video. And I like to even put a screenshot of the email. Sorry, I like to put a screenshot of the YouTube video in my email. Okay. So it says, watch the YouTube video now and see how you can start creating marketing emails 100 times faster with AI. And there's more. If you're serious about launching, building, and scaling your digital coaching business, Make Once Pro offers step-by-step guides, live support, and a locked-in membership price before it goes up. But hurry, this offer won't last forever. Best regards, Mike Gowans. P.S. If you want to take your coaching business to the next level with AI-powered marketing, don't miss out on this video and the exclusive Make Once Pro membership offer. Great. Okay, so it says, feel free to adjust any details to better match your style or specific needs, which I completely agree with. So now this is where I am going to give you, I don't have these prompts in that PDF because it's not, part of that, but you can listen now and you start using these, okay? So I said to it, how could you make this email, so this was the prompt I said afterwards, I said, how could you make this email more convincing, faster to consume, and more valuable? Okay, it's like, certainly, Here's a revised version of the email, making it more convincing, faster to consume, and packed with value. So let's see how it changed the email. Subject line, create marketing emails 100 times faster with AI. Okay, good subject line. I like that. Hi, first name. Hope this finds you well. As a new subscriber to our community, I have something game-changing for you. New YouTube video. Create marketing emails 100 times faster with AI. So imagine saving hours on email creation while boosting your productivity and results. In just a few minutes, this video will show you how to leverage ChatGPT prompt templates to streamline your email marketing no matter your experience level. Awesome. So this is really good. You can see where it really updated that part. I like this. Why you can't miss this. Time saver. Craft high quality emails in minutes, not hours. Proven results. Our Make Once Pro members have transformed their businesses using these strategies. Awesome. Stress-free. Okay. Focus on coaching and growing your business, not on email creation. Amazing. I love that. Before ChatGPT, I spent countless hours on emails feeling overwhelmed. Now, with ChatGPT, I generate effective emails in no time, ensuring my marketing is always top notch. Love that. See how much more punchy and concise it is? I love this version. But don't just take my word for it. Since joining Make Once Pro, I've launched and scaled my digital coaching business faster than ever. The AI email templates are a game changer. I'd put my name there. So, ready for a transformation? Link to the YouTube video. Start creating marketing emails 100 times faster with AI. Special offer. Join Make Once Pro now for a step-by-step guides, live support, and a locked-in membership price before it goes up. Act fast because this offer is limited. Best regards, Mike Gowans. P.S. Transform your coaching business with AI-powered marketing, and don't miss out on this video and the exclusive Make Once Pro membership offer. Okay, so as it says here, this version is more concise, emphasizes key benefits, and includes bullet points for easier skimming. It maintains a friendly and engaging tone while driving home the value and urgency. So you can still go in there and even edit that down even more if you want, and you can tweak it and kind of play with it. But that's how you can go in and bam, really, really quickly, you've got great emails that follow proper email marketing, direct response templates, and you can really start carving down. You can always manipulate it afterwards by using more prompts. And I'll tell you what, there's something else that's even more important than this. Now that you know how to create these emails, the most important thing, honestly, is to go to this video right here, because this video that you're seeing here on the screen, this one is designed to help you find your perfect coaching niche. So you want to go here, watch this video, because once you have your perfect coaching niche, you can create better emails, you can create better offers. Matter of fact, if you don't have your perfect coaching niche figured out, you're going to be spending so much more time on the wrong things, and you won't be able to even do marketing, create great offers, or get leads, and that's a big problem. So go here right now and check that out.